Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Travels by Alex. I'm Alex, and today we are going on an adventure to Celestial, which is an art installation held by Arctic House in Chelsea, New York. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alex, and this is a travel and lifestyle YouTube channel. I would love for you to subscribe and join me on my adventures. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button in order to get an email every single time a new video is posted to this channel. So today, I'm joined by my friend Nabila. Nabila found this really cool installation exhibit here in Chelsea and thought it would be cool if we check it out. We went on YouTube and Instagram and saw a bunch of really cool images and videos and thought this is definitely something we want to look at. So we're on our way there right now. We'll be there in a few minutes and we'll take you inside. Hey everyone, so we just finished at the Celestial experience. We're now on our way home. Nabila and I had such an amazing time exploring here. I have to say it was a really cool experiential installation, and I really think that if you come, you'll definitely have a great time. They did a good job of enforcing social distancing rules. Everybody here had to wear a mask at all times. People did keep 6 feet apart. I got to see a lot of kids running around, just kind of jumping up and experiencing that whole installation. So if you're in New York City, definitely come take a look. I'll leave everything in the description box down below so you know how to get here, how much it costs, when the experience is going on until, and so forth. So thank you again so much for joining us today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to continue joining me on my adventures around New York City.
Alex?
Shh, we're recording. You can come in. I think they have a code check in there.
I don't think so.
And don't forget to hit this the notification. So close.
That's the last one.
It's so awkward.